Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing JBL's Endurance Run 2 wired earphone set. I'm essentially going to be using this earphone to listen to heavy metal music using my iPhone. The thing which attracted me to this was the price. It was only for 20 bucks on special on Amazon. And the other thing which it said was that never hurt and never fall out. So I'm going to be testing that and see if it stays put in my ear. And most importantly, I'll give my review of how this sounds when I'm listening to hard rock or heavy metal music. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So it's nicely packed in there, and I love this color, kind of like a midnight blue color. Something different from your usual black. I can already see that the headphone set comes with a little booklet as well. In addition, the earphone set also comes with 3 set of tips, so for small, medium and large. The cable length is just over a meter long, which is great. And as you can see, I will be using my USB-C to audio jack adapter to plug it into my iPhone. So without further ado, let's go ahead and plug that in and see how it sounds. All right, I tried this in my ears, and I also listened to some music, and I made a phone call as well. And here's my review. Okay, from the get-go, the right ear, it kind of fits in, that's fine, but it's not very comfortable. It's okay, like I can get away with it, but for long periods of time, it's probably not a good earpiece if you're very sensitive. Sound quality, superb. As with all JBL devices, their speakers, their headphone sets, sound quality is perfect. I listened to some heavy metal, death metal music and hard rock music, and it sounded great. I also made a phone call, and the sound quality was crystal clear. People were able to hear me on the other end, and I was able to hear them clearly. In terms of really the big issue for me is the comfortability. It's not too bad. Look, it's okay, but I wish it was more comfortable. In terms of it popping out of your ears, yeah, that's not great either, but it surprisingly it still stays in my ear, so that's good. I did not try all the other tips. I used the medium ones, I think, which came installed, and I may try the small ones and see how that goes. But other than that, would I recommend this? Yes, I would recommend this for its sound quality, 50% comfortability, I would say, and yeah, about 80% of how it stays in your ear. If you're planning on running with it and you've always had earphones popping out, then I won't recommend this. But if you're just stationary or sitting in bed, then it's great. Primarily, I will be using this to use it with my PlayStation Portal at nighttime when I'm just playing video games, so that I don't disturb others. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take care.